This is the first video on HTML tutorial. Many of you have requested me to create a tutorial on coding languages for beginners. Okay, so for that I had created a tutorial on HTML, right? So in this tutorial I will be discussing and explaining all the concepts of HTML from the basic and ground level so that you can get each and every concept quickly. Okay, you can master HTML in easy steps in this tutorial, right? So stay tuned to the end of the videos so that you will get all the details and all the concepts of HTML properly. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so now first you should know what is HTML, right? Means for starting any programming language, right? You must know the basic concepts of what it is, right? And why it is used. Okay, because if you will not get the basic concepts of any programming language, then you cannot master in it, right? So let's start from introduction to HTML. So as you can see here, HTML stands for hypertext markup language. Okay, means the full form of HTML is hypertext markup language. Okay, so let's discuss about hypertext and markup language separately. So, hypertext is a text which, when clicked, opens up in another location and shows information in the same page or moves you to the new web page. Okay. Now, the meaning of the sentence is hypertext is a text, means it is a kind of simple text only, right? But when you will click on this text, okay, then it will open in another location or it will move or redirect you to the totally new web page, okay, which will consist of another information inside it, right? For example, you all have must use uh, internet, right? So whenever you search any information, okay, you get many links, right, which are in blue color, okay. So that blue color links are known as hypertext. Okay, means whatever words are highlighted in blue color. Okay, so when you click on that words, blue color words, you are redirected to the some another new web page, right, which consists of some other information relating to that word or text, right? So that particular text is known as hypertext. Clear? Okay, so next move to markup language. Markup language. Now, what is the meaning of markup language? So, it is a technique to write documents with the help of HTML tags. Means, when you have to create a web page, right, you will use HTML tags for writing the codes of HTML. Okay. So, markup language is a technique or method, okay, to write documents, okay, or to create HTML files, right? Here, document means HTML file, okay, which describes the general structure of the content inside the document. Means style inside HTML file. Okay, whatever the content will be there. So HTML describes the structure of that content. Okay, how the content will be going to appear. Okay, in our HTML file. Okay, so the structure or skeleton you can say. Okay, it is known as HTML markup language. Okay, so this is the whole summary of hypertext and markup language. Together we say it as HTML hypertext markup language, right? So now we should also know about internet. Okay, means the basic idea of HTML is that to create web pages, right? And web pages are, where are web pages stored? So web pages are stored in the server, right? And server is connected to the internet. Okay, so you should also know about what is internet. So let's start with some basic introduction. Internet is the network of networks, right? That is why we call it as the largest network of the world. Okay, So that connects millions of computers around the world. Okay, so internet is the largest network of the world which connects millions and millions of computers together, right? So here we have some powerful and large computers which are called servers. Okay, so some powerful and large computers are there which are called servers, right? Which store files and information in the form of websites which contain multiple web pages. Means servers are used to store files and information. Okay. In the previous video, I had explained about server, right? So if you have not gone through that video, then please open that video and you can watch it so that you can understand each and every concept of server. Okay. So server are used to store files and information in the form of websites, right? And what is websites? So websites are the collection of web pages. Okay. That is why it is written here, which contain multiple web pages. Okay. Next is, okay. Now here some basic instructions about how the HTML have came into existence, right? So Tim Berners-Lee is the person who developed the HTML standard in 1991. Okay, see, he is the person Tim Berners-Lee who had developed HTML in 1991 and invented the World Wide Web, that is Internet, in 1989. Okay. Next is the word hypertext was first given by Ted Nelson. This is the person, okay, who gave the first means who introduced the word hypertext, right, in 1960s. Okay, so this was some extra information, right, that will be helpful for you. Moving on. Okay, so here we will discuss about features of HTML, right? So now you have understood what are the types of means what is HTML, right, and what are hypertext and markup language. Okay. So now we will discuss some features of HTML, why it is popular, right? Why you can use it, right? So first is HTML documents are simple text files. So it is simple text files, right? We only use our English words, right? English language only, right? To write the codes of HTML, simple text files. Okay. There is no need of compiling the file in HTML as it is required in case of other programming languages. Now, what is the meaning of this sentence is there is no need of compiling the file in HTML as it is required in case of other programming language. So, as you can see in C programming language, C++, Python, right, Java, okay. So, these are the programming languages where we need to compile our code. Okay, so first the code will be compiled properly and then it will run, right? So what is the difference is in HTML we don't need to compile the code, right? It will be means you can run the code of HTML directly into the web browser, right? Means you will get the output of your HTML file in web browser. Okay, so third is HTML is not a case sensitive language, right? Means case sensitive means even if you will write your code in either capital letter or small letter, okay, it will not give an error, right? That is known as HTML is not a case sensitive language. Okay. Fourth is HTML document can be viewed on any type of computer platform. Okay, means any type of operating system it will work, right? Any type of computer platform you can run the HTML file, right? So these were the some of the important features of HTML. Okay, so moving on. Okay, so now let's discuss about some HTML editor, right? Means where you will write the code of HTML, right? So there are some softwares and programs, right? Means both are same, software or programs, both are same terms, right? So HTML editors are the software or programs which are used for creating and saving the HTML documents, right? Means these are the softwares where you will write the code of HTML, right? And you will create a HTML file and you can save it as HTML document. Okay, so this is called the HTML editor, right? Now, some examples of HTML editors I have given here. Some common examples of HTML editors where you can write the HTML codes. Okay, so Notepad, Notepad++, Sublime Text, WordPad, etc. Okay, many are there. So you can see here, this is the Notepad, Notepad++, Sublime Text, WordPad. Okay, so these are some of the simple HTML editor softwares where you can write and save your HTML documents, right? Okay, so I hope you have understood all the concepts, what is HTML, where it is used, where to write the HTML codes and all, what are the features of HTML. Okay, so in the coming video, in the next second tutorial of this playlist, okay, I will be discussing about how to write the HTML code. We will start the coding, right? I will show you how to write the codes, how to run it in web browser, right? So thank you for now. If you have not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe it and click on the bell icon so that you will get all the latest updates of coming videos or tutorials of HTML playlist. Okay, so thank you.